MetaTrader 4 Basics Tutorial. Introduction. MetaTrader 4, or MT4, is a popular trading platform used to place trades on many financial instruments, including Forex, crypto, indices, commodities, futures, and stocks. What is a broker? A broker is a financial services company where you deposit and withdraw your trading funds. The broker is then connected to a trading platform such as MT4 to trade a given market exchange. Is MT4 a broker? No. MT4 is a trading platform used to connect a broker account to the live market exchange for various financial instruments. Key facts. MT4 must be connected to a broker of your choice in order to trade real money. Funds are deposited and withdrawn from a broker, not MT4. Tradable financial instruments are determined by your broker, not MT4. Margin ratios are determined by your broker, not MT4. Trading a demo account on MT4 does not require a separate broker account. A demo account and a live account from a broker can be connected to MT4. What is MetaTrader 4, or MT4? MT4 is a trading platform that allows you to place trades, view assets, analyze charts, and read the news. MT4 connects you to the markets. You deposit and withdraw money directly from your broker. Your broker connects to MT4 to allow you to trade in various exchanges, including commodities, indices and futures, foreign currency pairs, digital currencies, and stocks. To utilize MT4, you must download the MetaTrader 4 app onto your mobile or desktop device. When you first download MT4, you want to create a demo account. A demo account is where you use fake money in real market conditions. It's 100% free and there's zero risk. To register a new demo account, you first select the app on your device. Once open, you select New Account in the settings. Next, select Open a Demo Account. And then finally, select MetaQuotes Demo. You can register a demo account in 8 simple steps. Step 1, select the app on your device. Step 2, select New Account. Step 3, select Open a Demo Account. Step 4, select MetaQuotes Demo. Step 5, enter personal and account information. Step 6, select Register Account. Step 7, use default login info, or you can enter specific information to your preferences. And then Step 8, select Done. Congratulations, your MT4 demo account is now created. How to place a trade. There are 5 simple steps to placing a trade. Step 1, select Asset Symbol. Step 2, select Order Size. Step 3, enter the lot size. Step 4, enter trade details if applicable. And Step 5, select Sell or Buy to place the trade. Congratulations, you just placed a trade. How to view and modify a trade. Step 1, select Trade Menu icon. Step 2, select Open Trade to modify. Step 3, select Modify. Step 4, enter Stop Loss and/or Take Profit data. And Step 5, select Modify. How to close part of a trade. To close partial profits, follow these 5 simple steps. First, select Trade Menu icon. Step 2, select Open Trade to modify. Step 3, select Close. Step 4, enter part of the original lot size. And Step 5, select Close. Congratulations! Now you can close partial profits. How to view trade history. First, select History menu icon. Step 2, view account history. Congratulations! Now you can view your trade history. Trade order types. There are 3 basic order types: instant execution, limit order, and stop order. Each of these types you can execute buy or sell order types. Stop orders also include stop loss and take profit. MT4 allows you to select each order type before an order is placed. Instant execution order. An instant execution order enters you into a trade at the current buy or sell price level based upon your broker and your chosen financial instrument. This type of order is used when you want to enter a trade immediately. Stop orders and limit orders. A stop order is a conditional or pending order placed when you expect price to push through a given price level and you want to either enter or exit at that price level. A limit order is a conditional or pending order placed when the price is already in the direction you expect it to go and you want to enter if and when the price comes back to a given price level. Stop loss and take profit orders. A stop loss is a conditional stop order that automatically exits a trade if price pushes through a chosen price level, controlling the loss potential of a trade. A take profit is a conditional stop order that automatically exits a trade if price pushes through a chosen price level when the trade is in profit. Connecting a broker account to MT4. Step 1. Identify a broker who supports the financial instruments you'd like to trade. Step 2. Register a new account with a broker of your choice. Step 3. After you have registered your broker account, enter your broker login information, which includes your username and password, into your MetaTrader 4 account according to the instructions on the next few pages. Where do I find a broker? You can search online or consult with a licensed financial advisor to find an appropriate broker in your area. Connecting a broker account to MT4. There are 6 simple steps to follow to connecting your broker account to MT4. Step 1. Select the app on your device. Step 2. Select New Account. Step 3. Select Login to an existing account. Step 4. Enter broker name to select broker account, either demo or live. Step 5. Enter login information for your broker account. And Step 6. Select Sign In to connect broker account. Congratulations! Your MT4 account is now connected to your broker account and you're ready to trade live funds.